Okay, guys, I just got back from the gas station, got a little bit of snacks. So, again, first, I got planters. Gonna do a really quick ratings on these. But yeah, they're honey roasted. Already ate most of them, so. But yeah, I rate them, these for the price, 9 out of 10. Perfect level of sweet. And this is a very big bag for 250. That was almost full. I just love peanuts. Okay. Next one. Grandma's peanut butter. We're gonna ratings test on this. It's a pretty good cookie. Looks a little artificial. Not like your homemade cookies. It's good. Kind of has more of a, you can feel the cookie, but it almost tastes like a pastry. Has a little bit of artificial taste. So I'm gonna have to rate that. Yeah, I'll give it a 7.5. I mean, it's not bad at all. Okay. Next one, my favorite candy of all time. Or at least my favorite brand. But yeah, the giant chewies. And, they're really, really good when they're easy to chew. But when they're not, they could potentially hurt your teeth. Okay, but yeah, I'm going to get that out. Not that easy to get. Okay, yeah, that's how it looks. That sand, look at all that sand, that sugar. See, they have the small versions, but this is the big chewy. Breaks off just right. Look at that sugar. That is a high dollar candy. Giant chewies for anybody who doesn't know this candy. Super good. Okay. Rating on that, 10 out of 10. Okay. Last but not least, don't have much memory left. We got the Island Snacks banana chips. Never tried them. They were packaged inside the United States. That's a really sugar candy. Okay. That's what it says. Island Snacks. Okay. First time ever having them, guys. Here, I'll take some out. That's what they look like. Banana chips. Whoa. They're a lot harder than you think. A lot harder. Don't recommend for someone who has bad teeth. They taste like banana. A dried out banana. Maybe for naturalness, I'd rate it, an 8 out of 10. For taste wise, I'm going to give that a 6.5 out of 10. You get a lot for your money. I paid for all that about $9.50. Yeah. I'm going to rate that because it's different. I won't rate it too low. But yeah, it's between a 6.5, or let's go a 6 and a 7. But yeah, guys, have a happy new year. Stay safe. And I wish everybody a blessed 2025.